Good morning and Jai Hind to one and all. Here, myself Amit Mishra, presenting the Narayan Public School in your area, in this Jaunpur area, in the locality of the Sikrara. It is situated in the rural place. Now, I would like to uh, interact with you the amenities that is having with us. The first, I would like to show you the greenery which is available here where your child will learn in the natural environment. We have the variety of the plants here and we had made such kind of the botanical garden for the welfare of the students that because now in this the life is getting fast and the people are not getting the time for the natural environment. People used to go to the park and the other places, but here we are providing the safe, hygienic and the natural environment that is the mandatory for your child. Come with me, I will show you the amenities which we have. Indoor sports area for the students. Here you can see that the table tennis court which is here, and we have the one of the important thing which you have seen only in your farmhouses or the big five-star hotels. Here you can see that we have arranged here the billiards for the students, and along with the studies they will learn how the things are going to be organized in a proper way, in the proper manner. I will show you, you will not get the facilities in the else one school which is having in the Narayan Public School. As you can see that we have a huge playground for the students because we have initiated the sports academy along with the studies. As you can see that the wider range of the field where you can see that the football ground and here is the hockey playground and we have the basketball court, and along with the basketball court we have the cricket stadium, cricket practice club there. The pitch is made there by the curators and we have arranged all the things which are necessary for the welfare of the students and for their activities. Here we are making the champions for the future because you have seen that in many schools the students have tried a lot to learn to grow up, but in lack of the facilities they are not getting the adequate chances. So here, as you can see that in our basketball court, here is the astroturf grass which you can find only into the big stadiums or the BCCI sponsored places. Now here we are arranging the things for the students in a minimum cost. As you can see that the astroturf grass which you can find only into the international stadiums, but here we are arranging for the students of the Narayan Public School. As you have seen that this is the astroturf grass where the students will play and learn how the international things is going to be done here. And I am promising you in this rural area or if any urban area this kind of facility is not available, only available in the Narayan Public School. As you can see that here is the batting ground, batting practice ground. Here is also have the astroturf grass, and to the nearby there is the bowling pitch. That pitch is made by the curators for the students those are interested to play the cricket. This is the bowling pitch and this is the batting pitch, and where we will arrange the bowling machine here. By the bowling machine the students will able to practice of the batting. As you can see that here the things which we are arranging here for the welfare of the students, because we are promoting here the well educated students who will lead the future, and we are promoting here the hygienic and natural healthy environment only in the Narayan Public School.